I have a picture of Mona Lisa in my desktop. Now this picture looks like a very nice simple picture, but what if I told you that I have hidden a file inside this picture? So in this video you will be learning how hackers hide files or folder inside an image. So let's get started. Now before we get started, this process of hiding files inside an image is called steganography. And to do steganography, we need to use the package steghide. So open your terminal and first install steghide with the command sudo apt install steghide -y and press enter. Type the password for your user. After steghide has been installed, I will change to the desktop directory because that's where my image is. And since I do not have a file yet, I will create my own file with the command nano secretfile.txt and press enter. Here I will write the content of my file. I will just call it this is my secret file. Save the file with the command Ctrl+O at the same time in my keyboard and press enter, then quit out of the file with the Ctrl+X command. As you can see, my file has been created on my desktop. Now let's hide this file inside this image, and to do that we will use the command steghide embed -cf. CF stands for cover file. Since monalisa.jpg is the cover file for secretfile.txt, I will write here monalisa.jpg -ef. EF means embed file space the name of my secret file, which is secretfile.txt, and press enter. Set a password. I will give the password 123. I will reconfirm the password 123 and press enter. I can confirm the embedding has been completed. Now of course I have to remove my secret file. So rm secretfile.txt and press enter, and the file has been removed. Now visually you will see that nothing has changed, but there is a file hidden inside it. If you want to extract the file, type the command steghide extract -sf the name of the file, which is monalisa.jpg, and press enter. Type the password that you set earlier, which was 123 for me, and as you can see, the secret file.txt has been extracted. So this is how to hide files inside a picture.